How to fix your iPad is stuck in recovery mode. So if you're just seeing this recovery screen here on your iPad, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to exit the recovery mode. Now, first thing you need to do is go and disconnect any USB-C cables going to your iPad. Once everything's disconnected, you can head over to the lock screen button at the top of the iPad, and you're just going to hold this button down for around about 45 seconds. Now, after 45 seconds, the screen should go black. You could then try turning back on the iPad and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, there's another key combination you can try. So we're going to tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button at the top of your iPad. Now, once again, hold this button down for around about 45 seconds. Now, after about 45 seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. You can then release the button and your iPad should now restart. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So go and grab your USB-C cable and plug one end into your iPad and the other end into your computer. Now, from your computer, you'll need to go and open up the iTunes app. If you don't already have this installed, you can download it completely for free. Now, with the USB-C cable connected to your computer, you'll then need to head back over to your iPad. Now, go and press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button one more time. The iPad should go completely black, and do this until you get back to the recovery page. Now, as long as you have iTunes open on your computer, you should get a pop-up asking you to either update or restore your iPad. You can start by pressing the update button, but if for some reason that doesn't work, you can also try pressing restore, and that's how to fix the issue where your iPad is stuck on the recovery page.